Welcome back to another video on Senexa. So now that we've tested the platform and we know that we can get our money back out after the lockup period's over, I'm going to invest a little bit more heavily and show you the deposit process. I know it's a bit backwards doing a deposit process video after a withdrawal process video, but the reason being I just wanted to test and make sure the platform worked before putting any kind of substantial investment into it. So let's jump into the Senexa platform and I'll show you guys how to replenish your balance and get set up and good to go. So as you can see here, I'm already in the dashboard. I've got myself logged into the Senexa site and I've got no active deposits just now. I've still got my 1 cent from not being able to withdraw from the previous video, and I've got a partner now. Somebody's joined me in investing here. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to give Senexa a go. Anyway, let's get into setting up this deposit. So simply just go into replenish balance over here on the right hand side, and it will just ask you to enter an amount. So I'm going to enter 3,000. It will be in US dollars, which at the moment is the equivalent of about 2,250 Great British pounds. Just hit continue and it'll give you the options of what you want to transfer it with, and of course I'm going to use Ripple for all the reasons I discussed in the previous withdrawal video. So continue, and it'll just take a wee second to populate the information that's required. There we go. So it will tell you the exact amount to deposit and to what wallet and a destination tag here. So make sure you enter the exact amount on your exchange, because it will flag up if it's more or less or whatever. It sends you an email. The platform actually sends you an email to say that it's an incorrect amount and it's looking for more. So my XRP is on the exchange Swissborg, so I'll just jump into my Swissborg account and send over the XRP. Straightforward enough. Send, and you understand the risks, and I'm just going to paste the amount, the wallet address in, and the destination tag, which is and then it will ask you what amount you want to send. So as I said before, just stick in the exact amount that it tells you to on the screen. And hit next. And as you can see there, the fee is minimal. Just under 3 XRP to send over £2,000 worth of XRP is magic. And send. So I've sent that from Swissborg now. Your withdrawal is being processed and that should hopefully be in my account momentarily. So I'll just jump back into the dashboard. In the meantime, we can see over the right hand side, if we go back to the calculator, the amount that you can potentially earn depending on what strategy you go for. In this instance, I'm only going to use the optimal strategy because it holds it for 21 days at 1.1%, so my total revenue for my 3,000 will be £693 over 21 days. There is a high yield option that's 60 days and you get a slightly higher interest rate, so you do get a better income for locking it up over that period of time. But at this stage I'm just not comfortable tying it up for 60 days. I would be more happy with the 21 and then I can possibly compound after that. That's maybe for another video. Now I've got a message here, success, your XRP has been sent. So that was so quick, and I'll just refresh and wait for this to come into my account. So that's the payment came through now. Sometimes there's a wee hiccup with the fee, so when you put in the exact amount, obviously your exchange will charge you a fee to transact that XRP over to the platform, but you'll receive an email to say that it's still awaiting the funds, and then the exchange will release the fee that it's charged to it, and you should receive another email a couple of minutes later just saying that the funds have been received. So if that does happen to you, don't panic. It will be ironed out behind the scenes. So now you can see my balance is set at $3,000.01. So now we're just going to lock it right up. So if I just go to the easy start here, it seems to be the easiest way, and just type in the 3,000 there. And as I said, I'm choosing optimal just because I prefer for it to just be the 21 days. So I know exactly after 21 days that I'm going to make $693. So that doesn't, it's not relying on sales, it's not relying on anything. It's a fixed rate that you know you're going to get that returned on those days, and you know what day it's going to be as well. So if I just click open deposit, and it'll just give you the contract for exactly what's happening here, and you just click confirm deposit opening. Your deposit has been successfully sent for verification, and that's you. That's all you need to do. You can see down here it's waiting, so that'll be waiting for verification, and then when you go back into the dashboard, it will show as your the status will show as green, and it will tell you exactly how long till the next accrual. So the accrual is normally it will pay out every 3 days or every 5 days. You hold it in there for that time, but it just tops up gradually. You don't just wait for the 21 days and then get the full £693. So what I intend to do is wait out those 21 days with the strategy that I've got. I'll then take out the 3,000 plus the 693 and then compound, so reinvest that as $3,693 for another 21 days, and then do the same again. So it works out, you'll be doing 3 days extra rather than just locking it up for 60 days, but you've got it split so that if you ran into any kind of financial trouble or you needed access to the money for any reason, then it's only 21 days rather than being locked away for 60 days and not being able to access it. So that's pretty much it. That's you good to go. You've deposited your money, you've sent your XRP over, you've deposited it into the platform and locked it up, and that's you. You can literally just switch off and go about your life. You can check up on it every now and then if you want to, but it's as easy as that. Deposit your cash into your crypto exchange, buy XRP with it, and then use the Senexa platform to set up the transaction and transfer from your exchange over to your Senexa wallet. So we can check in 21 days and do the withdrawal. I probably won't make another withdrawal video, but I'll maybe post it in my story or something and see how it goes from there. Right, thanks again for watching.